to everyone. Today I would like to present about the transaction of ZAC management of month February 2020. First of all, my name is Mirosha Murthy and my group mate name is Nisha Anaperempuan Gunalan, Sivaneswari Anaperempuan Ramakrishnan, and Iwiko Anaperempuan Esau. Now I am going to talk about the introduction. Accounting is known as the recording of financial transaction of the business. There are 4 important steps to be adopted in the accounting process, where the first process refers to the journal. Second step is classifying, where during this process the recorded transaction in subsidiary books of the business are classified and updated to the main book of accounts, which is known as ledger. Third step is summarizing, where all the recorded transactions in main books will be summarized to prepare the trial balance, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Interpreting is the last process in accounting, where it means a document of a business is to clarify the uses of which an accounting standard can determine the future earnings and ability to pay the interest. The objective of this course is to understand the meaning and basic of accounting and able to improve the knowledge, skills in accounting for the preparation of journal, ledger, trial balance sheet, financial statement and statement of profit and loss. Accounting has been divided into 2 categories, which is financial accounting and managerial accounting. Financial accounting is known as recording and classifying business transactions, thus preparing and presenting financial statement, which is used by internal and external users for the business. Managerial accounting focuses on providing information for the internal users and deals with information that can't be shared with the public, such as salaries, profits, and cost goods produced. Regarding this study, we had chosen ZAC Management to get more information about the company, and we also went to ZAC Management to interview the owner of the company. Last but not least, I'm going to talk about the background of the business under study. The name of our business is ZAC Management, and it is a computer shop since 1st March 2010. ZAC Management is a share-owned business which owned by Tuan Muhammad Nasrun bin Tuan Man and with his friend Zulkarnain bin Muhammad. Encik Nasrun is 37 years old. He was graduated in Diploma Electronic Industry. Thus, he continued his practical in Microtech Computer SDN.PhD. His business partner Encik Zulkarnain is 36 years old. He was also graduated in Diploma Electronic Industry and continued his practical in electronic shop. They are selling laptop, printer, USB cable, pen drive, and they also provide repairing services. They also hire 6 workers. The shop is open all day except on public holidays. They also promote their business by using social media such as Facebook and WhatsApp. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nisha Gunalan. My metric number is H19A0359. From L3T3, I will present about 3.0 current business recording status ZAC Management.
Location ZAC Management at Tingkat 3 KB Mall, Kota Baru, Kelantan for now. This company provides product and services. Its service is like selling and repair also their product. Always has a stock at their shop. For example, their product is laptop, the item for laptop, computer, printers, and USB cable and other. ZAC Management is the share between 2 people. They have 6 workers at their shop. Their business now 10 years old already. They work together to gain income to their shop. This shop name taken from the person in charge to this shop. This business more focused to workers, students and adult who need to their work with laptop and other item. The current business recording status important to see their positive and negative income for ZAC Management. Also to improve their sales for get more income to their shop.
And then I will continue my presentation with 4.0 action taken by group to guide and help the business to have or improve a systematic recording of business transactions.
Help the business to have improve the Systematic recording of business transaction. Financial statements are the report card a business, whether you are new investor, a small business owner, an executive, or just trying to keep track your personal financials. You need to understand to read, analysis, and create financial statements so you can get a full.
Is income statement. Income statements, it is also commonly known as a profit and loss or P&L statement. Your income statement shows revenues, expenses, and profit or loss over a given period of time. At its core, it tracks how your business net revenue is translated into earnings. Your income statements and financial planning. By analysis your income statement, you can pinpoint what aspects of your operation are correct with high growth periods and what aspects lead to stagnation. The balance sheet is the give interest parties an idea of the company financial position. In addition to display what the company owns and owns, it is important that all investors know how to use analysis and read a balance sheet. A balance sheet may give investors or reason to invest in a stock. The statement of cash flow is summary of the cash moving in and out of your business. While similar to the income statement, there is the key difference. The income statement is hypothetically meaning for companies that use accrual accounting. The revenue, the income statement list may not have been paid yet. Statement of retained earning. The statement of retained earning track the changes in equity over a given period. You retired earning equal to the amount of net income left over when you get paid out dividends to stockholders. It shows whether your business profit went up or down over the period. Thank you.
Today I will present about full set of account for 1 month. Now we move to the journal 1 month transaction. Date 40, bring 10,000 cash in the business as capital. Date 16, purchase a printing machine worth 600 with cash deposit of 400. Balance will be paid by monthly installment. The note payable was issued for the purpose. Date 20, purchase laptop accessory from Syarikat Ahmad Khan for 1,000 on credit. Date 28, pay Syarikat Ahmad Khan 1,000 of the amount owner cash. Now we move to the post to account ledger. Date 40, description cash debit 10,000, credit capital 10,000. Date 16, description printing machine debit 600, cash credit 400, and paper credit 200. Date 20, accessory 1,000, debit Syarikat Ahmad Khan 1,000, credit. Date 28, Syarikat Ahmad Khan 1,000, debit cash 1,000. Now I will move to the importance of account to the micro business. The first of the important is accounting is to provide quantitative information of finance nature to various stakeholders which is intended to be used in making economic decisions. And the second of the important is cash flow is one of the most important assets of a business. It is very important to let us know well how spend the money in a business. And the second important is accounting to the macro business. Is accounting will save your time and accounting will help you to accomplish and look at your duty and the time with constant. And the last important is the trial balance is a simply listing of all of the account in accounting system along with their balance.
suggestion to the micro business or petty traders to how and what to do have systematic recordings of business transaction and final accounts. As we know, a micro business sometimes does not have a systematic recording of business transaction and final accounts. In this case, they didn't know and cannot identify the profit and the loss suffered by the companies every year with a systematic recording of business transaction and final account. So, my suggestion to the micro businesses or petty traders are of how to do a systematic recordings of business transaction and final accounts are: firstly, keep recordings of business transaction up to date. It is very important to micro business make a habit of recording their business transactions up to date. It will assist in making informed, efficient and precise decision at any time. Secondly, use electronic record. Usually micro business more prefers manual record and just use notebook for their recording business transaction, but now we have electronic record. Use an electronic record keeping system. Make it easier to capture information, generate reports, and meet tax and legal reporting requirements. Moreover, now we have accounting software programs so simply electronic record keeping and produce meaningful reports. Thirdly, hire specific worker. Normally, micro business just add a small number of workers that need to do many work to record business transaction. It is not good to the company, and because the worker need to focus about many of his works, go to class business transaction. Fourthly, go to class business transaction. Participating in business transaction is also important because we can study how to record and how to use manual and electronic recording business correctly. Fifth, learn basic account. It is important to owner of micro business for learn basic account, especially for those who don't know about basic account. Accounting basic account can give individuals for entrepreneurs in the company more professional about profit and loss and how better structure your account statement. Sixth, bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is more important for any kind of business, whether it's small or big, but nowadays we see it's neglected to the owners of business. They do not keep any records or any credentials, so that reason business often fails financial management and suffers bad management. Besides, an accounting record is necessary for business and it's compulsory by law. In the modern world, legitimate likewise that business must recording accounting transaction but up to date and surely pay all tax and lending which is required. This ensures transparency and accountability of accountant or business owners. Daily transaction vouching recording process of the transaction, then the profit and loss account tax deduction from gross profit, then calculate net profit after tax. Retained earning, which is calculated the owner capital and balance sheet, where shows the eligibility of the payment of liability entity. Importance of bookkeeping is essential for some reason for your business growth and development. The importance of bookkeeping are to improve good financial management and analysis, achieving tax obligation. Proper keeping record as required law, easy business planning, easy report to investor and make a sure clean picture of the accounting. From this assignment, we have get to know about the importance of accounting to the business and the objective of this for the accounting. Is we cannot operate our business without a proper and accounting system. Accounting is very important to record the transaction in our business because we cannot perform the financial health accounting to our shareholders. Our group has done transaction for 1 month by using the information given by Zedge Management. After completing the transaction, we generalize the transaction. Besides, we have done by prepared a ledgers according to the transaction that we have gotten from the Zedge Management and for the journal that we have done. Then, we have continued with prepared a trial balance. This is because by preparing the trial balance, it can help us to make sure what we have done is correct or not. Furthermore, we have calculated the statement of profit and loss of Zedge Management. Statement of profit and loss have been prepared under the basic accounting, the revenue and expenses reported on the statement. After that, we have list down all the assets and liabilities in Zedge Management. Asset is a resources that owned by the company which is have the future economics value that can be measured and expressed into the money. Last but not least, we get know that if a proper accounting system
in any company may help a business to increases their income and also reduce expenses of the business. They might be having a better economic planning in the future and also try making a better business decision which is will be more helpful for a business to grow.